In this video, you'll learn how to add HTML code to Mailchimp. This process allows you to customize your email campaigns with unique designs or functionalities that standard templates may not support. By following these steps, you will gain the ability to enhance your email marketing efforts. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the login section. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. If you are prompted to sign in, do so using your registered email and password. This action will lead you to your Mailchimp dashboard. After accessing the dashboard, locate and click on the Create Email button. This button is typically positioned prominently on your dashboard. Once you click it, a new screen will appear, prompting you to select the type of email you want to create. You should see options for regular campaigns, automated emails, and more. Choose the appropriate option for your needs. Next, you will need to close any pre-existing campaigns if prompted. Look for the close icon, usually represented as an X, in the top corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you back to the campaign selection page. Once this action is completed, you can proceed to design your new email. Now, click on the Design Email option. This button is usually situated next to the email type selection you just made. After clicking it, you will be taken to the design interface where you could choose how you want your email to look. Pay attention to the layout options presented to you. From the design interface, select the Start from Scratch option. This will allow you to build your email layout from the ground up. After selecting this, you will see a blank canvas where you can start adding elements to your email. It is important to choose this option if you want to fully customize your content. Once the blank layout appears, find and click on the Content Blocks option. This section displays various elements you can add to your email, such as text boxes, images, and buttons. After clicking, a panel will open on the right side showing all available content blocks for your email. After viewing the content blocks, click on the Show More option. This will expand the list of available blocks, allowing you to see additional options. Keep an eye out for the code block that you will need to add your HTML. Once you see the expanded list, you can proceed to the next step. Look for the code block in the expanded options. Click and drag this block to the center of your email layout. This action will create a space for you to input your HTML code. Once you have placed the code block, ensure it is positioned correctly before proceeding. Now, double click inside the code block that you just added. This will open a text area where you can paste your HTML code. Ensure that your HTML code is ready and formatted correctly before pasting it. After pasting, review the code to confirm it is accurate. Once done, you can save your changes and preview your email to ensure everything looks as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial